With almost a decade of caravan building experience, MDC have been able to bring out a range of off-road, affordable caravans that are at the pinnacle of luxury, starting with the XT15PT. Come and have a look why this caravan is so popular. Built with an aluminium frame and composite panel body, the XT15 range is tough and thermally efficient. Combined with double skin windows with screens and shades and the standard air conditioning, you're assured of all year round comfort. An internal cooktop and oven are the perfect addition for self-contained all-weather travel and will bring out the holiday gourmet. Ample cupboard space ensures plenty of storage for those items that make for a home away from home. The separate shower and cartridge toilet ensuite are roomy and well equipped, ensuring privacy and convenience no matter where you're camped, with an 80-litre grey water tank to keep it self-contained. The Dinette Is Comfortable and roomy with added feature of leg rest for those lazy days kicking back. With a handy internal fridge within easy reach, you're set for a day on the lounge. The XT15PT with its pop-top roof is the perfect solution when low storage or towing height is required. It's easy to set up in minutes for ample headroom in the living area. To top off the interior comfort, the XT15 comes with a comfortable 200mm inner spring mattress with pillow top, ensuring a great night's sleep every time. Outside there is a kitchen with a 3-burner cooktop and sink with hot and cold water plumbed from the Truma 14-litre hot water system and 2 80-litre fresh water tanks. Right behind is a space for a large portable refrigerator. An electric awning is standard and great for keeping you safe from the elements while using the outdoor kitchen or simply relaxing outside. For convenience, there is an outdoor connection for a TV, and a Winegard antenna is a handy optional extra for watching free-to-air television. The XT15 has miles of boot storage for generators, chairs and all your camping needs. These storage areas are well protected by our triple seal hatch doors that incorporate 3 rubber seals to fend off dust and water ingress. Space, luxury and affordability, all built on the proven reliability of the MDC off-road chassis and suspension package. For more information, head into one of our stores nationwide or go to marketdirect.com.au.